Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with a short video guys. I'll be showing you how do you prune your tomatoes. So as you can see, this is the progress of my balcony tomatoes guys. Let me just come a little bit closer. This is how far my tomatoes they're growing, and if you can see there inside, I do have some 3 big tomatoes. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. Guys, in order to prune your tomatoes, you need a pair of scissors, or not, you can do it manually just with your hands. Let me just come a little bit closer and I show you what it looks like. A sucker is the type of branch which grows in between the main branch and the leaf. So let me just look for one. Yeah, I've got this one guys. So check out, this is the main branch, this is the leaf, and in between here this is a sucker guys. So we need to pull this one out so that it doesn't compete with the main branch guys. So you need your scissor, or you need to take it manually out. Let me just come a little bit closer. So this is a sucker guys. Let me just take it out just like that. And also we have this small one which is coming out, so you just pull it out. So guys, let me just come a little bit closer. This is what we call a sucker. As you can see, this is my main branch of my tomato, and this is the main leaf, and this is a sac in between which is growing in the middle of the main stem and the leaf. So guys, I will be taking out this one. So guys, I'll be doing this. I'm going to go through all over my tomatoes, then I'll be pulling them out. Yeah, that is how it is done guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now.